Good morning, my green-loving friends. I am next to a plant that several of you will be able to recognize instantly for its many uses. You guessed it correctly, it is the lavender. Lavender originated from the Mediterranean region, Northeast Africa and Southwestern Asia, where it has been grown for over 2500 years. Lavender is cultivated and used throughout the world. Lavender is cultivated extensively in temperate climates as ornamental plants for garden and landscape use, for use as culinary herbs and also commercially for the extraction of essential oils. Lavender is a member of the mint herb family, so is it any wonder that it is used in cooking and recipes? Culinary lavender is dried edible lavender flower that has been grown free of chemicals and pollutants specifically for cooking. Due to its fragrance, lavender is used to make perfumes. The two basic requirements for successful lavender growing are full sun and good drainage. Lavenders need a sunny place in the garden where they receive sun for all or most of the day. They don't like to be grown in shade. In the summer, pots and plants will need frequent watering. But remember, be careful not to waterlog lavender. We should check our plants as individual garden conditions can vary. Flower spikes have the strongest scent just as the pretty little flowers begin to open. But even without the flowers, you can have the fragrance from the leaves of the plant. The ancient Greeks, on the other hand, used lavender to treat insomnia and ease back pain. During the bubonic plague in the 17th century, lavender was used as a remedy to ward off potential disease. The scent of lavender deters mice, flies, mosquitoes and other pests from the area. So it is sometimes used as an insect repellent. You all probably know what the special shade of lavender flower is called. It is called lavender. Its scent has a calming effect on humans. So lavender is used in all kinds of stress relieving items. The name lavender originates from the Latin verb lavare, which means to wash. Its original meaning still holds true in the way that we use lavender today. Because of its clean scent, the herb is extremely popular ingredient in products that we use to wash ourselves, including shampoo, facial cleansers and hand soap, as well as cleaning products for our homes. Lavender is commonly associated with purity, devotion, serenity and calmness. My father uses a lot of lavender diffuser oil in his office, especially in the evening hours. I am sure this plant will be a delight to have in your garden. Please subscribe, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. See you soon, green buddies.